been asking for a tutorial on this hairdo for a minute and how to do it, and it's so simple, y'all. This video gonna be like 5 minutes, so let's get into it. What's up, y'all? Today, if my face looks a bit puffy or swollen on the side, it probably don't because it went down, but Ninja, I'm currently getting over this illness. I had a tooth infection that was caused by this dentist that don't know what the F she doing and almost died, and story time coming soon because I don't even play like that. What are you doing? Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get that perfect black girl blowout hairdo. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it, y'all. What you need to do is take yourself to my link tree and go to my Amazon storefront and go find that latisha wig. Latisha wig, get whatever color you want. I usually get the black color, but I've recently been liking the dark brown one on me. I usually just go straight black, but I've been liking the dark brown color on me because it just make me look a little soft. So I got this one. This is a new one. So I'm finna show y'all step by step how I do it. From seeing this right here, I wouldn't buy this wig from seeing the pictures that they have. They need to have a better representation of the wig because I wouldn't buy this if I didn't know how it looked already. But this is color 2. I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm talking so much. Golly, y'all. Why y'all got it in there so tight? This should give. D, like, ooh, my baby. Ooh. And y'all, for this to be a synthetic wig, it lasts if you take care of it, it'll last like 6 months to a year. Like, just don't be dogging it through the mud, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna pull it out, and I have scissors, so we're gonna cut all this extra. So when you get out the package, it's gonna look like this in a little net. This is how the edges look. It comes with edges, but if you want like more fluffy or like more blunt edges, I recommend taking it out and doing it yourself, but it already come with edges. Like long is, it go down to like the middle of your back. No matter how much you comb it, it's gonna revert back to this. This is the lace. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna expose myself and take this bonnet off. But get this, I'm gonna take this bonnet off and then put this on. Alright, this is me putting it on raw. Didn't even cut the lace or anything yet, but I'm gonna clip the things in the back to make it tighter because you want to secure that mug. Okay, this is it on without me cutting anything. Okay, so I'm gonna comb it out a little bit, or should I cut the lace first? Okay, so how I cut the lace, I like to cut 3 slits. So one right here, one right here, one right here, and then take this eyebrow tool and then just, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a wig girl. I mean, I am a wig girl, but I don't really know how to lay wigs like that. So if you know a better method, then if you know a better method, then knock yourself out. But this is just what I do. This probably making me nervous. Okay, hang I don't like to cut too close to the hairline just because I don't know, but alright, so honestly, I got this wig from Reagan. She got it first and I liked how it looked on her, so I got one myself, but that's basically what I do for the hairline. Now, when Reagan wears this wig, she put foundation on the hairline, but it's all about if it's looking white. On the camera, you can kind of see where it starts, which I don't care because I'm finna cover that up with edges and T-wax. So anywho, so that's how I do the hairline, and that's how I cut the lace. After that, we're gonna comb out these curls. And as far as your edges, the Latisha wig look good without edges or with edges. It's about your preference if you like edges or not. Me personally, I be switching it up. If I want edges one day, I'm gonna do it. If I don't, the next day, then I ain't. Alright, I can't find the wig comb I'll be using, so I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, whatever, I don't care. I'm going to, ooh, it's so soft. I'm gonna comb the curls out a little bit just cause I like that fluffy look. When it's too defined, I'm not really a fan of that. Oh, this wig is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Combed out versus not, I guess. That's so pretty. Oh, y'all need to see this in like natural light and not this effing studio S, because it looks so much better in natural light. Oh, this is so pretty and fluffy. Oh my gosh, I look like a pageant girl. This hair will make you look like a pageant girl slash doll slash... If you don't know how to do hair like that, I definitely recommend this wig because like I said, all you gotta do is put it on. I'm gonna do edges just so y'all can see the full thing. So I'm gonna clip this back, which I don't like doing the edges like that because I don't know how to do it like that. Reagan do it way better than me. So I'm gonna pull out the little edge pieces and we're gonna try to make some work, bro. I don't know. I use water and Eco Style to do the edges. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't even know what I'm doing for real, but if I'm not a professional and I don't know what I'm doing, that should inspire y'all to get this wig even more because you ain't gotta know what you're doing with this S. And it don't look crazy in person. Y'all might think it only look decent in pictures. No, this is the finna attempt to. Don't make fun of me. And I actually like middle edges. People don't be liking edges in the middle. They just like them on the side. I like middle edges, so I'm gonna try my best. I got Eco Style. You don't need a lot of this because you don't want to make your wig too gunky. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna attempt to do it, but. This Eco Style is trash, bro. I need some new. I need some new, cause ooh. Okay, y'all, I can't get this middle edge to do what I want it to. So you can make the part as natural as you want. Like, it ain't gotta be just super straight. Cause when it's like this and just doing some edge, they make it look like it's your hair even more. But y'all, that's basically the tutorial. I mean, okay, y'all, that's this tutorial. My edge is looking kind of whatever, but that's the tutorial on how to do this hair, this blowout hair. That's how I do it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.